Kiladon kat tu kat ni ki jengja ha Shillong bat ki jaka ba marjan ha kini ki kendiat tayau baladep habaya dei bat ka jinglong jingman ka Shong Shngaiñ Trei ki pulit kimpat shim lala ban pin itu ya ki brio ki bedon kti ha ki te ki kam kirunal ki lathang ya katu kat ni teli ki kali sarkar bat phai khmat ru syaki thanat bat ki tanat Trei kam sarkar da ka bak kawang ya ki petrol bomb Deputy Commissioner ke East KHASI Hills, SC Sadhu, Ulaong baki board district, Kilong ki bapet ngor, ya ke jinglong jingman ka Shngaiñ, bat lanang penjur syusyu ka jing pahara ha kapor mit. Ki board district kila penmi ya ke jing penpana ha katayau baladep ka ba kerpat ya ki patba ban pentip syaki pulit halor kanu ka kam ka ba isyan khamat nesuba. Ki board district kila pendon kam hok ya ki kenhun pulit ki baladon lupa bat kumta kin 4 wanra syu ya ki kenhun. Ha kaju kapor UDC Ulaong bala khami benya ya kayat kayeng jong ki patba hadien ka khandai beji.
Watching this law and order, and after this incident we have upped our night vigil. Particularly we have set up our naka points and checkpoints in strategic locations, and we are continuously monitoring it. We are using our existing forces very strategically in identifying the locations, and particularly because these events are happening during late night and after 9 a.m., 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. So we are closely watching the movements of the people after 9 p.m. Every day, so that we are using them in strategic locations and with more efficiency.